Good morning guys, it's the weekend and today I am off to Dad's boat and we're moving it again because basically where Dad's moored at the minute there's going to be a canal festival next weekend, so we've got to move the boat so that the other boats can get their spots and stuff. So yeah, we're just going to be moving it a bit further up today and yeah, I've had my hair done. You probably can't tell, but had a little bit of colour added to it, that highlights. But yeah, I am just about to leave now and we'll go from there. Right, so I've just parked up and rang Dad, so he's going to come and meet me with the boys because I'm not walking on my own here. It's a bit scary through the park. Anyway, well, I'll meet him halfway, so I'll give him a minute or two and then I'll go. But oh, it's so hot in here. Right, let's go. Hi boys!
There you go.
No way. What you got, boy? What you got? Hey, George. Pop. Clear there now.
Hey?
Clear. Go on, on you get, Bob. Right, we're just gonna go and meet Michelle and the dog, Alfie. Let's go for a walk.
Hello boys! Hello boys! Where's he gone?
Good boy, here a minute. Here, George, come here. Hey, George. Healthy. Here, mate. Come on. Healthy, go find George. Where's George? I let him off the lead so you can go and run with him. I didn't realise I've still got my brownie apple pies in there.
Alright, George.
About 6 months.
You having fun there?
Where everything's 100% real hardwood with up to 50% off. Our low price sale ends this Sunday with up to
Treats!
What's a treat?
Look at me, I never said the T word.
Go get a treat.
Go and get a treat. Go get a treat. Go on, go see.
Right, Bob.
Get a treat.
Oh, there's a thing on me.
George. Hey.
I don't want you, kid. I don't want you, Mud.
Oh,
Come here.
thanks, George.
Today I'm going to put in. Oh, I love this fountain pen.
Isn't it lovely, right with the fountain
Isn't
pen?
that beautiful? I'm going to put in.
Good boy.
Sleeping
Come out
bag.
of the way. Here's a good boy, mate.
I love my sleeping bag.
So weird, I love my sleeping bag.
What's yours like? Tell me.
Mine's like a silkworm's coat. I love it, I love that thing. I sleep in it better than I sleep in my duvet. This way, if I was to sleep in that bad boy on K2, they'd find me in 5 minutes. It's so bright. What's yours?
I got the new one last year and I'm obsessed with it.
Really?
I had a very, very thin nylon one,
Cuddles.
which was horrid.
Yeah.
It was cold.
It's
and
more
it's-
best furniture, that is.
so I
It's more
invested
best
in one last
furniture.
year. I'm obsessed with it. It's sort of rectangular and it's. I'm not
for you.
going to mess around with some cheapo. We do a lot of camping, as you know.
Yeah, you love a bit of camping, you love it.
My sleeping bag.
But that description almost to me sounds like you're sleeping in a big cheese toasty.
Little nibbles,
That
isn't
sounds
it?
like
Yeah.
it itself.
And it's an Emmental.
Yeah, but right on his tender bit, I mean, like on the ear and
Yeah,
on the
I
cheek.
know.
Kind of.
I think you are. No, it's alright, Bob.
George, careful. Making the boat rock. I'm back home now with Tim because he's had a hard day at work. Anyway, yeah, we were going to move the boat, but it's been chucking it down all day, so we decided not to. And yeah, that's just the reason why. Just had a chat. The dogs were playing, as you saw, with George and Alfie. And yes, I'll probably be going around there again tomorrow. Hopefully move it, or Dad might move it early in the morning. And hopefully we'll be going to Cosgrove Canal Festival, but I don't know. We'll see about that, depending on the weather again. So me and Tim actually fell asleep in that clip before for like 2 hours. And I woke up so hungry, and guess what? I got myself a Chinese beef fried rice, chips and prawn crackers. And now we're going to watch a film. Don't know what yet, but it's going to be a horror one. Yay. So I have just watched Freddy Krueger, what was it called? Nightmare on Elm Street. Yeah, well, pretty much all on my own because Tim went upstairs and had a bath. And then, yeah, I didn't really want to watch it on my own, but it was quite good. It's the new one. I've seen the old ones before, but yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go up and have a bath now, but I think I'm going to end it here because I won't be doing much else today. And tomorrow, hopefully it'll be moving the boat, but he might do it in the morning before I get there, so we'll just have to see about that. And we'll see what the weather's like as well as to what we're doing. But yeah, I will see you in the morning. Night, guys. Good morning, it's Sunday and today I am going to Dad's. Not sure what we're doing because it depends on the weather. I mean, I think it's alright at the minute, but not sure when it's meant to rain. So we could be going to the canal festival or we could be moving the boat. But yeah, like I said, we'll work it out once we get there. And I'm just about to go now, so I'll talk to you when I'm at Dad's. Don't wrap your legs around me though. I mean, don't wrap your lead around me. Hey, Georgie. No. Hey, Bobs. I wasn't expecting to see you there.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, grub. Just a spoonful of, makes the medicine go down. The medicine go down.
Tail wagging, George. Have your ding-dings. Oh, Bob's just sat nicely, waiting for us.
He always does. They're both pretty good actually, although he left most of his for a while.
Right, so we're going to be moving the boat now, just a little way. Dad sorted the oil out and now he's going to untie it. I think we've also got to go through one lock, but I'm not so sure, can't remember, but we'll see. So that means I'll have to take it through while Dad unwinds it. I need to think of that word, I can't think of it. Opens the lock up for me, there you go. So yeah, I mean it's not raining at the minute, it's a bit cloudy. Bob, are we going to move the boat? Should we go and move the boat? Good boy, yes. Good boy. George, we're going to move the boat? Yeah? Good boy. bit chilly. That wind is anyway. Just waiting for Dad to untie the boat now. And off we go. Right, so we're at the first lock now, and just got the boys in. So I think there's quite a few people here as well. Time for some more treats for the boys. they get so much. No, it's because we had to get them in. Because there's another lock coming up in a minute, which we weren't sure if we were going to go through, but because there's nowhere else to moor up, we have to. Boys, sit. Oh, good boys. George? Bob? Good boy. So yeah, just have to get the boys in for that, and once I'm in the lock, I think we're going to wait for, because we didn't realise, we did check, but there was another boat after us that was coming up on the lock that we just done. So yeah, I'm going to wait for them and then go through and hopefully more up there. It turns out we didn't need to go through the other lock in the end, because our boat managed to fit, yeah, our boat managed to fit in. I mean, it looks quite deceiving. The space looks smaller than it actually is. But yeah, we've managed to moor up. Bob? Good boy? Dad's just tying up at the minute. So, all is good. Okay, so I've been back for about a couple of hours now. And we both fell asleep again. Only for like an hour this time. But it's annoyed me because I didn't want to fall asleep. I wanted to go to Nan's, but we're going to go now and it's nearly 6 o'clock. And then we're going to have dinner once we get back. So it probably won't be until about, I don't know, won't be ready till about 8 probably. Right, let's go. So it's been a pretty long time since I last vlogged. Well, since that last clip. But basically we went round to Nan's about 6ish, and when we got there it was pretty hectic. There was about 3 other people there with another dog, all that I hadn't met before. So yes, I didn't want to get my camera out and start vlogging because that would just be a bit awkward. Don't like vlogging in front of many people, so that's why, like, if there's any busy situations I just won't vlog at all. But apart from that, it was good. We had a bit of a laugh, and we didn't come back till about 7:30, and then we had dinner. And by that time it was like 9 o'clock, so I've had a bath, and it's now nearly 11 o'clock right now, so just getting ready for bed, ready for work this week. Hopefully I'll be able to switch my vlogs up a bit more, because they are getting a bit like the same old stuff. But there'll be more events coming up soon, like in 2 weeks' time, which will be a very good one. And yeah, that's about it really. So I'm going to leave it there. If you have liked this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I'll see you next weekend with another vlog. Night, guys.